Hey folks, Bruce Winder here, retail analyst. Hope all is well. I thought I'd do a short video on my LinkedIn and Substack post that I put up today on Dick's Sporting Goods and the recent acquisition of Foot Locker. So overall, if you look at Q4 2025, consolidated net sales were up about 59%. That's really including Foot Locker, and that's why it's so big. They've got Foot Locker sales for about 20 weeks, I believe, in there. Dick's performed quite well. Dick's Sporting Goods, the chain, they were up about 3% in comps. Their average ticket was up 4.4%. Transactions were down a little bit, 1.3%. And consolidated gap net income was down about 57% because they're obviously taking some losses from Foot Locker that they're in the process of fixing up. So let's look a little deeper into it. I listened to the earnings call, fairly complex financials because there's a lot of non-GAAP and sort of Foot Locker implications. But long story short, Dick's business was good. Foot Locker's under construction. Management commentary. Dick's success is based on four strategic pillars: compelling omni-channel experience, differentiated on-trend product assortment, deep engagement with the Dick's brand, and strength of teammates and culture. So they talked about the Foot Locker acquisition. One of the first things they did was what they call cleaning out the garage, which is really getting rid of all the inventory that they don't see as go forward. So that cost a fair amount of money. They talked about how their vendor partners are stepping up event marketing. Their 2026 priorities: drive growth across key categories, reposition. They've got a couple of really neat formats called House of Sport and Fieldhouse under the Dick's banner that are really doing well. And they've also got some green shoots, believe it or not, with Foot Locker too. There's a new format that they're experimenting with, and it's shown some really good comps. So lots of capex plan. They've got about 1.5 billion earmarked for 2026 in capital expenditure. And the share price has been kind of flat. It was up a little bit after they announced their earnings. Share prices are down about 5.6% over the last 30 days, about 3% over the last year, but on a 5-year basis, up 135%. So lots of great things going on with Dick's Sporting Goods. Fast Break is the name of the concept, the experimental concept with Foot Locker they're working on, and that's, like I said, showing some green shoots. So hope you check out my posts if you're into Dick's Sporting Goods and Foot Locker. Thank you.